Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chrysler Town & Country Touring, stock number E1821A. 89,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Town & Country brand new, Billet silver metallic in color. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights. Rear heat and air control. DVD player with wireless headphones and remote. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for the seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding the seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This Touring has keyless entry, along with a remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. DVD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And this is, of course, where the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Slide-out cup holders, power outlets, lots of storage space in the removable center console. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Auto dimming mirror, liftgate and sliding door controls, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Town & Country is a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon and a city average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Town & Country, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.